Welcome back everyone. Today we're going to be making some mayonnaise in the Vibe blender. Making it yourself is always best. You know what's in it and what's not in it, but it can be a little bit of a hassle when you do it by hand. Use the Vibe blender to save yourself some elbow grease and trouble. The variable speed function on the machine makes it very easy to control the outcome, and there are so many ways that you can add flair and flavor to your mayonnaise. Let's get straight into it. To get started, place 2 fresh room temperature eggs into the Vibe blender jug, along with 1.5 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. Secure the lid on and then pulse twice to combine. Remove the filler cap, select smoothie mode and toggle the speed down to the lowest setting. While the blender is running on low, slowly drip 1 cup of neutral oil into the egg mix over around 1 minute. The consistency will change quickly and thicken. Once you've added all the oil, you can now add the juice of half a lemon, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and some cracked pepper. Blend for a further 5 seconds and then stop and taste it. Adjust your flavoring to suit your taste. You can store your mayonnaise in the fridge in an airtight container for up to 2 weeks. To make a sriracha mayonnaise, add 1 tablespoon of sriracha sauce, 1 teaspoon of fresh lime juice, and 1 teaspoon of soy or tamari sauce. Blend briefly to combine. So that's how easy it is to make your own homemade mayonnaise using the Vibe blender. There are many different ways that you can get creative with that base recipe to make different flavored mayonnaises. It makes a very good base for a homemade burger sauce. You could also add any of your favorite fresh herbs and spices, smoked paprika to make it a little bit Mexican, some sesame and ginger for an Asian style sauce. We've listed a whole bunch of ideas for you on the blog post, so make sure you check that out and let us know how you go with your homemade mayonnaise. If you enjoyed this video today, then give it a like for us, and if you haven't already, then hit subscribe to see more of our videos to come.